it is showing a protractor.
Yeah, first we have to draw the circle. Okay, first we have to draw the circle. Next we have to take the protractor and you have to match the center of the protractor and the center of the circle. So so we have taken a radius line, so it is matching with 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is matching with 0. First angle is what? First angle is
108.
108. Where you will get 108? Between 100 and 110. The down one we have to take. We have to take from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30. So where you will get 108? I think. So
Sir,
here.
dots below before.
So I have taken a point. Now I'll remove this. I'll draw a line from here to, sorry, so from center to, okay, I'll make it exactly. Done. Now again, so where you have to keep the compass? See here, I am rotating the compass to the line which is making 108 degrees. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the second angle now?
The second angle is equals to 90. Oh, yeah, sir, 90.
90 is there, no? So again start from 0. Where is 90?
Here, exact center.
See, I am marking the point 90. So I'll remove this protractor. I'll take a line from here to 90. Done.
Next 72.
Yeah, again you have to take the protractor. So see, I'm matching 0 with the first one. So I'll write this one as A. So you'll be having clarity. Let us assume that center is, no, okay, let's take this as point A. So center to OA, I'm taking OA. So OA line which is matching with the protractor. So 72 is there, no? Now we are comparing with OA line. So above is 0. Can you observe? The down one is 180, above is 0. Always you have to start from 0. So where you will get 72? Here.
Yes, sir.
So I'll remove this protractor and I'll take this. So again, yeah, this one is 72.
Yes, sir.
So whatever we have completed, we will mark it first. This is 108 degrees and this is 90 degrees and this is how much? 72 degrees. Next, again I'll take the protractor. Now I will take this as B.
Sir,
Yeah.
you said we have to take the inner area, right, sir? So you took outer one.
Where I have taken outer one?
Sir, when you did upside down, sir.
Array, it's not upside. See, you have to understand one thing. Whatever the thing we have measured, no, don't include that. Which one we have not measured? Which part is left? To that particular part, we have to rotate the protractor. Okay. See, this part is we haven't measured. No, this part we haven't measured.
Yes, sir.
So we have to measure this. Now 36 is left. 0 to 36. So this is 36. Done. So this part is 36 degrees. Again, if you see this, approximately 54. Can you see that? The remaining that only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are getting 54. See here, 54.
Yes, sir.
54.
Yeah,
Got it? So this is how much? 54 degrees. Clear?